Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we're going to discuss about the arrays and one of the array program we are going to write here. We are going to find the maximum number from the array indexes. So simply we're going to write the code and I will explain the code in a simple and easy way so you can understand and implement this code in your system for your exams and for your assignments. So simply I'm going to write the code here by initializing the default libraries, that is include iostream and using name space std. That's it. Now we declare the main function here, that is this, and we are going to declare the array with the size of 9, with the element size of 9. So simply I'm going to write the 9 inside here and giving the size 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and that is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and one element is left, so I'm going to place here 20. That's it. Now our array has been declared. Now we have to declare another variable, that is max number. That's it will store our maximum number from the elements. Simply I will write here, we will first declare the first element of array has a maximum number, so we can compare the first element with the second elements. That's it. Now we are going to write a for loop here. So for writing a for loop, we are going to declare the I here inside the loop and 0, and if I is greater than or equal to 9, the program should be terminated. The loop should be terminated, an increment operator, and that's it. Now we are going to write a if condition here. If condition should be like this: if array I is greater than maximum. So we are going to replace the value. Maximum value should be changed. Maximum value should be changed array I. That's it. And outside the loop, we are going to write our cout and maximum array. I will explain the whole code again so you can understand. I'm simply writing this code and then I will explain that code to you. And so you have to write it maximum. That's it. Let's run this code. Okay, we missed the semicolon here. Now executing again. You can see that maximum number of element has been found, that is 35. You can check there 1 2 3 4 5. Let's close then and I will explain that. In this code, what we should do, we declare the default library, that is iostream, and then we use the using namespace std, so we cannot so we are able to write the output functions. And in the main function, first of all, we declare the array with the size of 9 elements that have a array. In every element of every index of array, there is 1 2 3 4 6 5 8 9. In 0 index there will be 1, and in 1 index there will be 2, and so on. And now in the second step, we have declared the maximum number element. This maximum number element, what should it do? It will store the first indexed value indexed from the array as a maximum number in the maximum number variable, and then from this first element we are going to compare the second elements. So when the loop begins, loop will start from the I0 and end after the condition is satisfied, like it's equal to 9 element, then it will be stopped. And the other thing is I++, that is help to increment of the code. And even then in this if condition, we are going to compare the array with the maximum number. Like this, if the array maximum number stored the array first index, that is 1, and then it's compared with the if we start from the 0, that the array I has 0, it compared that array maximum number and array is 0 is equal, so it will not move inside the if statement. Then a loop start again, and it will compare it like if now the I value has been changed to the 1, 1, and then it will compare that array I is 1, and then it will compare with the maximum number, that is array 0. It will found that the one value is 2, that is larger than the array, than the 0. So it will replace the value of maximum number, and the value will be entered the 2 inside the number of array. After doing this, the last step is that we have to print out the maximum number. That we know that we have stored the maximum number in the array maximum number in the maximum number variable. So simply we're going to print here maximum array element is maximum number. That's it. First of all, it's going to compare the whole array, and then it will be comparing the maximum number of element in the array. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, and that is enough. So for you can write a comments, so I can make the next video. When which topic you have in query, you can write the inside the comments, so I can make the video related to that topic. So okay, goodbye, see you.